Click OK. Yeah. Select front plane, sketch, select line, and draw a line. Yes, exit, add dimension. Yes, enter dimension 185 mm. Yes, click OK and delete this dimension. Yes, let's skirt extrude. Yeah, select front plane again, sketch, select cycle, draw one cycle. Yes, exit, add dimension. Yes, 10 mm. OK, click OK. Yes, select center line, draw a center line from this point to this point. Yes, yes, OK, exit. Yes, add dimension. From here to this point. 35 mm. Click OK. Yes. Skirt extrude. Yes. And sweep both bus. Yes. Click this line. OK. Select option. Yes. Select keep normal. Constant. Yes. Select specify trend value. Yes. Select revolution. And enter the direction one. Yes. 10. Yes. Click OK. Yes, we get like this. Now we get the spring. Yes. Okay, spring. Yes. Yes. Select sweep one. Yes. Click sweep one. Yes. Add the color. Yeah. Yes. You can add another color. Yes. That you want. Yeah. Yes. Now let's. Yeah. It is your option to design a spring color. Yes. Yes. Add another color. Yes. Click this one and this one. Yes. Now add the blue color. Yeah. Select blue. Yes. Click OK. Yes. Yes. Okay. Finish. We get the blue color. Yes. Yes. Thank you for watching this video. Yes. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more videos design in SolidWorks. Yes. Thank you.